Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another update for you. It's going to be 99. So hopefully the next update will be one where we take the car back outside and check it out in the sun. We've, basically painted most of the panels again, but then again with our spray gun. So let's go take a look at what we're doing. So you can see out here we've got basically the last of the panels, and I've gone ahead and sprayed them and clear coated them, so they're looking a lot better. At least they're all the same color. I also did the door handles as well, so we sprayed those. We've got a lot of this back together. I still got to put those in, but we've got the doors, the rear quarters, the sail panels, so everything is sprayed with the exact same paint. I still need to work on my clearing because I get a lot of orange peel, but it's not too bad. I'm sure a lot of it'll sand out, or we can actually scuff it up and shoot it again and then get a few more coats on it so that we can wet sand it, but I'm not sure I'm going to do that. But anyway, so we're going to get the car back together, and then I'm going to start working on some leather work for the center console, and we're going to move around the car. The next other thing that we're going to do is I'm going to get these quarter windows done. So that quarter and this quarter on both sides. And then we've got to make sure that we have the right weather stripping and everything in there. So yeah, so it's looking pretty good. Got still an issue over here with a gap, but it turns out that once I put my clamps in here or locks in here, that'll actually pull that down to the right surface so that we'll get that gap closed up. So, and there you have it. So good, got all the tape off of the front bumper, so it's looking pretty good. Didn't look bad the first time, but it just was an off color. So this is Arctic white. There's my biggest problem. It's the stupid bugs. So you can kind of see there, they get in the paint, but I scratch them out and it looks fine, so I'm not too burned about it. So anyway, yeah. So I'll get these panels on. I think the hood is going to match, but we'll find out. If it doesn't, then I'll reshoot that. So a very short update. Sorry I don't have a lot to show you, but this painting stuff takes a lot of effort. Sanding it down. I had to go back and sand everything because not only did I have to get rid of some of the warbles in the body panel, but I also had to scuff it up so that the new layer of paint would actually adhere. It's great because it dries so quickly to the touch, and after about 2 or 3 days it's relatively tough. And then after about a week, it's hard as a rock. So really digging this stuff. I got my little paint gun over here that I'm really digging on. So should have done this a lot sooner. But oh well, live and learn. Anyway, sorry for such a short update, but that's what it is. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And we'll see you next time for number 100.